launch here in a moment. Hey, you can actually move now. You're not paddling. Oh, let's see what's going to be the bite today. Yeah, that's kind of my hope too. We got the Becker Wrecker, a lipless, a couple jigs. Ooh. I'll get out of your way in a second. It's actually, it looks worse from the parking lot.
For sure.
It's still bad, but
yeah.
Definitely looks worse. Man, nobody's cooking the Aaron.
Yeah.
Guaranteed points. First fish. There we go. Limit at least. It's a little better one. Big old head, but not very long. There. There's a limit, small one. Pretty sure he's an upgrade. 13 1/4. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Oh, that's not, no. No, up there, you can get off. Yep. Just get it right off. My upgrade be a 13, I think. Maybe. Maybe not. No. It's not about the size of it today. It's a big fish. Don't jump. Oh my gosh. Yes! Oh. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That's what we needed, guys. That is what we needed. Come on. Don't do me like that. Come on. Just chill. Just chill. Come on. It's kind of a crazy one today. That's a good fish. Lord. Wind shifted again. I gotta get out of here. I need to. Oh man. Wish I had the rain pants. No. I don't know what else to do. All my spots are just gonna be about impossible. Can't tell this is going on. It's an upgrade. Get in there. Get in there. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh. Woo. Dude, it's not PB, but it's darn near close. Settle down. That's what I'm talking about. 19-incher. Let's go. Big old bass. Spots like Ding City. Oh, come on. Dude, you've been caught like 3 times. Yes, let's go. Come on. Let's freaking go. Yes, that's what I'm freaking talking about. Oh my gosh. Stay on. Oh my gosh, stay on. I don't think that's enough grit. No. I don't think that beats 17. It might, actually. Yeah, it might be just a fat 16 though. That ain't a 7. I don't think that's a 17-inch bass. Wrong before. Oh. Stand correct. Nope, 16. Another nice one. Skin. It's like a 16 and a half. I don't think you're an upgrade either, no. You can get off though. What we got going on here? Oh my gosh. I don't know how that one stayed on. Yeah, it's because it's small. That's why. That was crazy. Thanks. I don't know. Bail on that one. Good. Over 17 for it to matter. tell if that's cool or not. He's fat enough. Just don't think he's long enough. Right. And that will wrap that tournament up. I ended up in second place. Ended up losing to Aaron, who in the picture is on my left. And he caught a really big coal right at the end of the tournament. And that was kind of what pushed him over the edge. And that kind of thing happens. It seems to happen in our league a lot. I think we've had multiple people win within the last like 10-20 minutes of a tournament. And a lot of times now I'll fish right up until the end, but that night my legs were cramping up and I don't even think I could have stayed on the water anymore. So I'll take second place, got a little money, and I got some good points, and it's on to the next tournament video you see will be at the Harbors again, or any little redemption, because I haven't had a good day there in over a year. So see you in the next one.